Welcome traders to this new market game plan for week 9 for Nasdaq futures. So first let's dive into the economic calendar. So last Friday we had a day of almost 600 handles if I'm not mistaken. Well, let's just measure it. High to low, almost 600 handles, so 592.75 handles, making it the largest ranged day in the week. So on Monday we don't have any high or medium impact news, and it is a day after a very large range day, so I'm expecting not too much excitement around Monday. So yeah, maybe minor move after the opening bell, but yeah, well, I'm not expecting too much for Monday. For the rest of the week, we have many high and medium impact news drivers. So on Tuesday at 9 a.m., we have the S&P CS Composite 20 HPI year on year, medium impact news driver. At 10 a.m. we have the consumer confidence and the Richmond manufacturing index. On Wednesday we have 10 a.m. new home sales, 10:30 a.m. we have the crude oil inventories and the start of the G20 meetings. On Thursday 8:30 a.m. we have many high and medium impact news drivers, the prelim GDP quarter on quarter, unemployment claims, durable goods orders month on month, durable goods orders month on month, and the prelim GDP price index quarter on quarter. And 10 a.m. we have pending home sales month on month and the second day of the G20 meetings. On Friday at 8:30 a.m. we have the core PCE price index month on month and the Chicago PMI number coming in at 9:45 a.m. So looking into the economic calendar, I'm not expecting too much for Monday as it doesn't carry any high or medium impact news drivers. Tuesday, I expect a beautiful AM session due to the fact that it is a Tuesday and it carries some high and medium impact news drivers. So I expect the real distribution to take place after the opening range is formed after 10 a.m. So on Wednesday, start of the G20 meetings, not expecting too much around that. Crude oil inventories, not that much of an impact on the indices, but it can have a large impact on obviously the oil price and the Canadian dollar. But personally I'm not trading that. So my main focus for this day is on the 10 a.m. new home sales. Not so much on the number itself, but more due to the fact that it is a smokescreen for price action, for manipulation to take place, and a volatility injection with large range candles coming in. For Thursday, I like the fact that we do have 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. news. So generally what happens when you have both these times, economic news drivers coming out, the minor move will take place after 8:30 a.m. and the larger move will take place after 10 a.m. So that's something I'm monitoring for Thursday. And for Friday we have 8:30 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. news. So for this day as well, I expect a minor move to take place after 8:30 a.m. and a stronger move after 9:45 a.m. So looking into the Nasdaq chart, start on the monthly. The monthly is still bullish. Um, well, November was an up close month, December was, January was, and February was. Yeah. If we look into the Nasdaq chart, we're starting on the monthly time frame. Yeah, as I'm always doing, I'm using the continuous contract because it just shows yeah, more candles and cleaner price action if you ask me. So yeah, we're still overall bullish since the start of 2023. November of 24 was up close month as the seasonal tendency suggests. Same went for the December month. January is generally a bearish month, but not this year because it was an up close as well. February was an up close month so far, which is in line with the seasonal tendency. Yeah, so January traded below the December low into the monthly busy over here. So looking into the monthly chart, yeah, it's pretty much expected that we will see some price action into the all-time high, which is the December high, coming in at 22,425.75. Okay, on the weekly chart, you can see that September was an up close month. Same for October, November, and December. We had a 3-month period of up close price action. In the year so far, yeah, we had yeah, some bullish price action, but if you're looking at the weekly chart, you can see that we had a quarterly shift going into consolidation for the first quarter of 2025. So we took these relative equal lows last week, or rather 2 weeks ago. Last week we swept the previous week high and we had a huge drop going into Friday. Yeah, I'm not seeing too much over here. I can see this busy over here, which is in line with this bullish propulsion block. So as long as the bodies stay above this busy over here, I expect yeah, bullish price action. I'm not afraid of this down close candle over here as long as the bodies stay above this busy. If we close below this busy, yeah, then yeah, we are changing gears, and I'm expecting some down close price action into all these relative equal lows, the open portion of the busy over here, and potentially the relative equal lows over here. But yeah, well, measured from last week's close, yeah, we're talking about more than 4,000 handles, so that's not something I take into account yet, because we are still in a buy program and the discount arrays aren't failing yet. So I still expect bullish continuation going into previous week's high and potentially the all-time high. On the daily chart, we can see one point of concern, which is the fact that Friday we closed below this buy side and balance sell side inefficiency over here. So we respected this busy. Let me see, let me measure this. Busy, yes. So busy on the daily. Thursday we traded into consequent encroachment. As you can see, Friday we swept Thursday's high and huge displacement towards the downside occurred. So right now what I'm monitoring is if price is going from a buy program into a sell program for short term. So making this busy over here a bearish inversion fair value gap. In simpler words, just seeing if this discount array will function as a premium array. So finding some resistance inside this area and bearish continuation into these relative equal lows, or we displacing above this busy again, treating this as a reclaimed busy and finding support over here and trading into all these relative equal highs over here into the all-time high, which was Tuesday, December 17th, 2024's high. And on the hourly, can see these relative equal lows over here and all these lows carrying lots of institutional sell stops below it. So yeah, again, I'm monitoring this busy over here. Let's see if price uses this as resistance to trade down into all these untouched lows over here, or maybe sweeping this low over here, trading up above the busy again and treating this as a discount array, trading into the all these relative equal highs over here. So Friday's high, Wednesday's high, and Tuesday's relative equal highs over here. So that's it for this week's market game plan. I want to wish you a very nice weekend and an even better trading week ahead. See ya!